Turning now to the coronavirus pandemic, one Alabama family is calling their loved one a miracle after he battled a severe case of coronavirus for almost 5 months, leaving him on a ventilator and almost dying more than once. Tiffany Lester from our sister station in Huntsville gives us a look at his experience and the health issues he continues to fight after the virus.
I was in the hospital close to 5 months, and I probably don't remember 3 months of it.
Jeff and Jamie Gentry sit inside their Albertville home for our Zoom interview, still taking precautions due to COVID-19. Jeff tells me his coronavirus symptoms started with a tickle cough. A few days later, things got worse.
He would get a little better, and then he'd have a little setback. Then he'd get a little better, and he'd have a little setback. And then on Thanksgiving Day, he took a turn, and that's when they had to emergency ventilate him.
It was excruciating for Jamie to not be by his side.
I was desperate and heartbroken and worried.
Jeff went from Marshall Medical Center North to Huntsville Hospital to rehab, then to Princeton Baptist Medical Center in Birmingham.
I was on the ventilator for 93 days.
He took a turn on March the 1st, and on that day, he went into cardiac arrest.
They tell me medical staff had to perform CPR and defibrillate Jeff. Jamie says it's the prayer warriors that helped get him through and bring her husband back home.
He would take a turn, and I'd get on Facebook, and I would ask for prayer, and our friends, our community, our church, people all over the state were praying for him.
Even though Jeff is in Jamie's arms once again, he's still got a long recovery ahead of him.
I'm still trying to learn how to walk, and I can't walk without a walker now, but I'm getting close. I have a right arm that's not fully functional. I have a right foot that's a drop foot. Speech therapist had to work on my esophagus because it was not working right. I had that down it for so long.
He tells me the love of his family has been the best medicine.
He missed Thanksgiving, his birthday, our future daughter-in-law's birthday, his retirement, Christmas, our anniversary, and the birth of our baby, and Valentine's Day, and his other son's birthday. And what our gift was? Him.
Jeff tells me he survived colon cancer in 2007 and that it was nothing compared to COVID-19. The couple says their message is of hope and encourages everyone to social distance and get vaccinated. In Albertville, Tiffany Lester, News 19.